Hello friends, welcome to a special episode of House Arrest. आज हमर नुआ prisoners आछंती. चलो तो तांको देखा करिबा.
Hi, hello, what's up?
Hello everyone, it's me Divya.
Namaskar, I'm Prakriti Mishra
Hi everyone, this is Anubha Shaurya.
and I'm today in house arrest.
We are playing a very very interesting game and it's called
That is how millennial I am.
Is like how millennium we are.
So let's begin.
So हमर प्रथम question. What is the full form of TMI?
what is the full form of TMI?
So basically this is a short form that has come from a different country.
Sorry?
T मते खाली time वाला feeling आछि. Something related to time maybe.
Time much information? No, too much information.
TMI तते मु तो
Now you guys are confusing me, come on.
To my no. I don't know. Seriously, I don't know this. I cannot.
Yes, TMI, I don't know.
The right answer is too much information.
Too much information for me only.
Our next question. ROFL ର full form कौन?
Rofl, I don't use that often, but ROFL.
I really don't understand what's the meaning of this, but I know this.
ROFL. This I use and I know it's rolling on the floor laughing.
Rolling the fuck loud.
It's rolling on the floor, laugh or laughing. I don't know that ing or laugh. हाँ laugh. मार दिला तब नॉल नहीं laugh.
Rolling the fuck loud.
सठिक जवाब होची rolling on the floor laughing.
Why there is no fuck in that word? Why there is an F?
1 करोड़ जीता कि नहीं मैंने?
Next question. BAE बे र full form कौन?
Yes, I know this.
That gives me I feel sure.
Come on.
Jabe
Before anyone else.
BAE it's baby no before anyone else. I know. Yes, I know.
Before anything else, anyone else.
The correct answer is before anyone else.
Yeah, this I had to know.
I know. It's okay. Come on.
Thambe, jabe, abe, we do it to our best friends. I am correct.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Next question. TBH ର full form कौन?
Throwback R.
It's so good pouch तुम्हें कहलो मते.
अरे यार.
ए मु तो केबे देखुनी इंस्टा एटा की यूज करिवार.
तारो टी रो खाली एटलीस्ट मते कहि देले तापर कहि परिबे.
TDH. Tall dark handsome.
नहीं TBH.
It's wrong.
TBH. To be honest. To be honest.
Yes. TBH. I thought it's TDH.
अरे tell ना इतने.
Feel no जैसे answer. Oh wait. To be honest.
TBH to be honest.
आप श्योर हैं? लॉक कर दें, एक बार और सोच सकते हैं.
And the right answer is to be honest. And to be honest मु ए आंसर्स तो एक्सपेक्ट करी ही नथिली.
God, let me roam for a minute.
Yeah, I am a little bit millennial.
Next question. What do we mean when you say on fleek?
On flick. This is in trend maybe.
That means I think I'm very fashionable. I'm the most fashionable. I'm the most stylish.
देखो.
I am on fire. That's what it means.
Look, I know the answer. We do this. What we do this? Doing a winged liner.
That means my liner is the most stylish.
Out torture सही पर भी नहीं सती था.
I try to. But yeah, that's what it means. But I mean, that is the meaning.
Your wing liners are on flick. Your wing liners are on point.
On fleek. See, You can't explain this. I will come to this point. Wait. It's like a. Hey, it's on point.
And the right answer, on fleek means on point.
ठीक अच्छे. I think I did a pretty good job.
I know. I know. I know.
Next question, DIY. What does it mean?
ମୁଁ DIY କରିବା ଜାଗାରେ DID କରିଦିଏ.
Hey, ମୁଁ ସବୁବେଳେ Facebook ରେ ଦେଖେ DIY, but it's like die. I don't know.
Do it and destroy.
DIY na? Do it your own. Something like that. I don't do any DIYs.
Dancing. What else? DIY.
DIY, which lot of people are good in, is do it yourself.
कौन तो आंसर है तो so it's doing yourself. I also do myself.
Own. I think. Do it yourself. Sorry.
DIY means do it yourself.
Exactly. Same then sir. Don't do that. It's right answer. Do yourself.
I'm doing a lot of things myself on my own.
Yes, I am sure.
And I'm a prisoner's got a favorite question. OOTD रा full form कौन?
I know this. I'm just nervous and OOTD.
OOTD is outfit of the day.
Okay, this is my OOTD and
outfit of the day. Outfit of the day.
okay. So OOTD is outfit of the day.
Yeah, of course, OOTD.
Oh, what's the output of the day? It's a poop.
And yes, the right answer is outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day. Yes, definitely. Yes.
And I am not very proud that I know this because the chat lingos have been spoiling our English like anything.
Outfit of the day.
Next question. I'm doing good.
Next question, TGIF. What does it stand for?
IGTV. What? Missing question.
Come on.
I'm getting slangs. Wait.
TGIF.
F टाकू C करी हवनी. Can't you just change it to C? Oh no. I can make it like.
I know this. This is something about Friday night.
मतलब एक गीत तो मानने पड़े एक तेरे.
Yes, thank God it's Friday.
You have to teach me.
Come on.
Thank God it's Friday.
My everyday is TGIF now.
Thank God it's Friday.
TGIF is the thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Yeah.
TGIF stands for Thank God It's Friday.
Yes.
Next question, what do we mean when we say slay?
Slay. It's bold. It's hot.
Slay. I'm a savage. Classy, boozy.
Slay. I mean, just slay.
It's bold, hot, many things.
Slay means slaying. Mane kosa.
I know this answer. This is correct.
Hey TV, you don't have to do that reality show wala thing.
Like kosa kariba. So let's do kosa. That means
Slay is like kill it.
I mean slay matlab kosa. Ao sahe thara kahibi.
I know it's correct. Don't ask me like
को घर छुआ मु कौन होची
Go slay. जा kosa kar.
Slay ର ଠିକ୍ meaningଟା ହେଉଛି to impress or amuse.
I'm a slayer.
That's the feeling.
এই एग्जाम टा हेतले मत IAS मिल जाय था
अमर को photos was slay. No, it's fire wala dig.
ଆମର last and final question. Lit AF ର ମାନେ କ'ଣ?
Lit AF.
Lit is a thing जोटा एमती फायर भलिया है कि थाए.
Don't know this answer.
Lit as fuck.
देखो तमे पूरा जाउछ पूरा से ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी रो सब नै के आछे. This is not.
Mane
No. I can't.
Which means that she's just on fire.
No, wait. Let me put it in a right way.
Eat AF. Eat AF. Eat a lot.
Jette matra re.
It's again making me to come bad slangs. Come on.
जड़े
How would I put it?
पूरा की जड़े माने that's the actual sense of lit AF in true Odia.
मते निजको लाज लाଗୁଛି
I told you.
lit AF lit afternoon
It is lit as which means that she's just on fire, bro.
come on that's a simple answer
Lit AF stands for lit as fuck. That means to keep rocking it to an entirely new extreme or to keep rocking it as fuck. আজি এতিকি তো আমি জানি পারলু कि हमर ए नुआ प्रिजनर्स माने केवल सुंदर नुहंती दे आर ब्रेनी टू.
oh it was an amazing session amazing episode I can say amazing time ମୁଁ ବହୁତ enjoy କଲି afternoon ରେ so ଆପଣ ମାନେ ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ enjoy କରନ୍ତୁ and don't forget to like share and subscribe the channel House Arrest.
This game, I have never played a game like this, and it was fun. Thank you so much, House Arrest, for this lovely experience. And if you want to see me again, comment in the box below.
Please guys go like, share and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and also follow me on Instagram.
तो आज आम डिसाइड करछु कि एई सुंदरी मानकू आमे स्कोर दबा बदल दबु आमर ढेर सारा प्यार आउ हाउस अरेस्ट तरफ रु थैंक यू सो 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 मच फॉर डूइंग दिस लॉट्स ऑफ लव गर्ल्स एक्सो एक्सो आउ ऑडियंस आपण मान एक्सो एक्सोर मीनिंगटा आमको कमेंट रे जणांतु देखिबा आपण माने केते मिलेनियल